as a mommy is how to stop the rest. Sobrang naiyak ako. Naiyak na naman ako ulit. Pero pagka-receive ko ng message, really, I can feel the Lord. So guwapa. So guwapa.
My life has been a series of soap in my hand.
Welcome to our back channel.
Good morning! Good morning to the youngest, the middle, tulog pang eldest, and the creator. Utot? Did you utot?
And the daddy na wala pang tulog.
Daddy.
Ginugas ko itong tagaan.
Oh, thank you. Did you wash the dishes? At she remove another teeth naman? Not much.
Yes.
You know, as a mommy, number one talaga na skill na dapat mong malaman is how to stop and rest and take a breath. Ay, nako. Good morning. Welcome to the vlog. It's a different morning for me because we don't have helper today kasi 'di ba umuwi kahapon si Yaya Alvi. And kami lang ngayon sa bahay with one sick kid kasi parang natuloy na talaga yung sakit ni Feifei. And parang ano na rin, tumataas na rin yung temp niya. So baka mag-fever na. And yung cough niya kasi is how many days na I think nahihirapan na siya because her body is trying to cough out na yung phlegm. So nahihirapan din siyang kumain kasi yun nga, madikit. So makati yung throat, lahat nasusuka siya, ganun. And of course, we're officially have a terrible tooth. Oh no. Sabi pala namin ni Daddy, we do not say that. Our words are powerful. 2 years old, we have a toddler na talaga dito sa bahay with our Kai. And grabe, parang biglaan lang siya nag-evolve. Well, iba naman talaga siya compare sa mga sisters niya talaga. Ibang personality niya, ibang kind of play niya, lahat-lahat ng yun. Because they are different, I know. Pero being a toddler, andun talaga yung being a toddler. And syempre, with our daddy being on night shift, mommy talaga is alone today in the morning. Alam niyo, nakakatawa. I don't want to rant. First thing in my vlog. Totoo yan. Pero I just want to share it because a lot of mommies or mama, nanay, understand this. Kagabi kasi, tawag nito, hindi nga ako nakapag-goodbye na sa vlog kasi sobrang sama yung pakiramdam ko. So, parang nag-start na rin because of the change of weather na sobrang hindi mo talaga ma-predict. sinisipon na rin ako, tapos maliban yun, because of yung paglinis ko kahapon, na-trigger pa yung allergic rhinitis ko, I took anti-allergy, lahat ng yun, syempre drowsed yun, so sobrang bigat ng katawan ko the whole day. So nung night time, talagang nagsabay na ako sleep with Kai. So sobrang aga naming natulog. So, syempre, kung may helper kami, siya yung mag-aayos at night. Syempre, wala. So, it's me. And Daddy, I'm not blaming Daddy. Daddy is really doing his best to help out. Grabe kabisi yung work nila kasi may deadline sila. Sinasabi niya na ako kasi nakikita ko talaga niyan for the past days. Na yun nga, nahihirapan siya kasi sobrang ang dami ng task niya, hindi siya makaalis sa upuan niya, talagang dire-diretso, syempre pagod din siya, lahat ng yun. So, talagang nakakatawa, kasi syempre, kung nanay ka, you set your routine. If I will do this, maglilinis ba ako in the evening before I sleep, kung saan yung mga bata is sleeping na, or sa morning na maaga kang magising para mellow down pa yung mga bata, para malinis mo na lahat and you have your time to really clean up, walang disturbo, parang ganun. But on my case, maaga akong nagising. Hindi na ako ginising ni Daddy kasi ginaawa daw talaga siya sa akin. So, hindi ako nakapag-linis kagabi, nakapag-ready, anything. Tapos, last kasi na natulog, nag-movie time pa si Ellie sa si Faye. So, talagang gising sila. They play, they have their movie time with Daddy. And, kaninang umaga, hindi rin ako ginising ni Daddy ng early kasi yun nga, talagang barado yung nose ko, saka masama yung pakiramdam ko daw, halata daw talaga when I sleep. Tawag nito. So, late na akong nagising. Hindi naman late. 7 kaming nagising. Kanina. And then, when syempre, hindi naman ang bahay, hindi niya nililinis sa sarili niya. So, sobrang dami. As in, a lot. Tapos, may mga food kami na hindi ko na na-pack up ng tama sa ref. So, talagang na-spoil sila. Talagang, ang dami. Na tawag nito, sobrang gutom na ako kasi last night hindi niya ako nakakain ng mabuti, na I said I need to stop cleaning, I need to sit down and eat. Wait, so muna ako, but I will have more energy later to finish all the cleaning up. Yung goal ko kasi sa paggising ni Daddy, malinis na yung bahay para we can have a time for ourselves. I just need to clean up talaga. Tapos andito na ako sa point, ang dami ko dapat gawin, pero I acknowledge na hindi ko siya kaya mag-isa. With a toddler na. Ang dami niya talagang ang dami niyang ginulo today. So dagdag pa siya sa dapat kong lilinisin. So, but it's okay. Let her be. That's just a stage in her life. Pero syempre, kung pagod ka na minsan na sa mommy, hindi mo na yun naiisip, kaya nagagalit ka na, automatic na yung lahat. Kaya, kanina talaga sila, I need to sit down. Baka maubusan ako ng pasensya, anything, maano ko pa sa mga kids, hindi ko sila maalagaan ng mabuti. There, and I drink water. Sometimes, kailangan mo lang talaga ng madaming tubig, kasi pagkagising ko, hindi pa pala ako nakadrink ng water. And, yun nga, dapat maglalaba ako. So, no na. Sobrang sakit na ng likod ko. I don't know why. Sobrang sakit niya talaga. Well, siguro, kasi straight, it's 9 already. So, parang mga 2 hours, yun, paparek-parek lang ako. I was not able to sit down, lahat ng yun. Nag-bake pa kasi ako. Tapos, syempre, open yung shop. So, may nag-take pa ako ng mga orders. May mga nag-order this morning. So, nagsabay talaga sila lahat. But, it's okay. We have those days. Pero hindi pwedeng ganun lagi. So, we always ask the Lord for wisdom. We talk to our husband how to deal with the situation. Next sa amin ni Daddy, mag-usap talaga kami. If I will not work, then I can take care of the house. I can be a full-time housewife. Oh, I love that. Taking care of the kids, ganun. Pero, for now, may pinag-iipunan kami, and I still have that opportunity na binigay ni Lord, na may work ako, magandang work, magandang situation, nandito lang sa bahay, lahat ng yun. So, it's not that time. So, sabi ni Daddy, dahil hindi mo nakakayanin, Mami, na mag-work full-time, even here at home lang, mag-alaga ng 3 bata, really taking care of the house and with the business. Yun, so we decided to get a helper. Honestly, we have 2 before. I think, yeah, nandito yan sa vlog ko before. Tapos, umalis na yung isa. So, isa na lang natira. Yung isa kasi, si Alvi kasi, she is a family friend. So, parang close siya talaga sa amin. Kahit before pa, nung nag-help out siya dito. But for now kasi, yun din. Sobrang tulong niya. Okay siya sa mga kids, sa mga, taga-kilala siya on my side. Talagang close talaga yung family namin. So, yun nga. Okay siya kasi parang nagkaroon ako ng parang sister dito sa bahay na parang tutulong sa akin, na mautusan ko lahat. Tapos na-train siya namin with the shop. So, talagang laki ng tulong niya. Pero, we realize ni Daddy nga na hindi talaga siya kakayanin, especially paglinis ng bahay. Malaki kasi yung bahay. We have 2 rooms, sa kalat ng mga bata, yung paglalaba pa. Minsan, we decided, nagsabi ako kay Daddy, magpa-laundry na lang, hindi ko kaya for this week. Or kung kaya ko naman, maglo-laundry ako kasi meron naman kami yung automatic lang na washing machine na talaga ilalagay mo lang, tapos ihahang mo na, may dryer na rin siya, ganun. So, it's easy, yes, it's easy. Pero, syempre, it still takes time. Kumukuha siya ng time sa pag-segregate, lahat-lahat ng yun. Pulido ako kapag nag-work ako. I really want to make sure na malinis yung lahat. And Daddy knows that. So, yun nga. So, grabe talaga si Lord. Praise God. Really, really, He is amazing talaga. Pero parang may time yun na I really share it. Shinare ko to kay mom ko, sa mommy ko. Tawag na to na, parang umabot ako sa point last time na sobrang dami ko nang hindi magawa sa bahay. Ako kasi talaga yung na parang nag-general cleaning, especially sa mga CR namin, especially yung sa room namin, sa pag-organize, still me, lahat ng yun. Tapos, even I cannot expect more from Alvi, sa yaya namin, kasi ang dami niya na rin ginagawa. Siya yung sa store namin, siya yung sa kay talaga sa pagbabantay, kasi kay naman talaga siya nung kinuha siya namin. Tapos, syempre yung paghugas sa piga, ng pagluluto, I need help on that, lahat ng yun. So, parang at that time talaga, parang sobrang busy sa shop, sobrang busy ko sa work because I'm on training. Sobrang na-overwhelm ata ako. Tapos, tumingin ako sa bahay, yung dito sa house namin. Tapos, nakikita ko na sobrang ang dami ng kalat, hindi na napuputbak yung mga gamit and everything. Talagang sobrang naiyak ako. And naiyak na naman ako ulit. You really know that. Mababaw talaga yung luha ko. Parang naawa ako. Ako kasi, yung ano ko talaga sa sarili ko is I really need to make sure na malinis yung bahay, organized, because I want my kids, si Daddy, also working here, to really enjoy the house. I want them na ma-feel at home dito, na they can really stay here in a clean and a healthy home. Tapos, tawag na to. So, parang, siguro, parang, konti, I know it's wrong. Konti, I blamed myself na bakit hindi ko siya kaya. Why don't I have more energy? Why, dapat I have more time? Parang gano'n na, which is so wrong. Alam niyo yan, it's so wrong. Kapag nagsasalita ka na ng mga ganyan, mali yan. Because God only give you 24 hours of the day. And you have your priorities. And that energy, habang tumatanda ka, nagdi-deplete yan. Totoo yan. Hindi ka na ganun ka strong or ang daming energy like you were when you were young. O young pa ako Pero parang grabe talaga yung burden ko at that time that I do not know what to do, that I just prayed. I really poured it out to the Lord na sabi ko talaga, Lord, you know my heart. Sinabi ko lang sa Kanya, Lord, just help me please. Guide me. At that time, naghahanap kami ni Daddy. I think I shared here ng mga parang nito stay out lang. Kasi we don't have a good place na for our helper. Parang ganun. Pero, yun nga, tawag nito, wala kaming may matras. I really give everything to the Lord. Kung wala, it's okay. I know it's the plan of the Lord. Lahat ng yun is for our best. Ganun. So, naghintay. We just waited. And yun na nga, umabot sa ganung time ng life namin. I really prayed. Sabi ko, Lord, padala ka ng tao if we need another person here at home. Provide the money, the provision to be able to do that. And tawag nito, just smooth it out lahat ng yun because He knows my heart. And really, the Lord is very fast sa reply. Yeah. In the afternoon, talagang nung afternoon na yun, tumawag sa amin yung helper namin before with Faye. So that was 2 years ago, na nag-stop siya sa amin kasi nabuntis siya. So, with their second, talagang nag-chat lang siya. Biglaan nag-chat siya. Sabi siya, Ma'am, I want to go back na po sa work. Pwede pa po ba ako mag-work sa inyo? Diba? It's just, pero nataga po message siya, parang, I really give all thanks, giving lahat na praise kay Lord. Parang, pero pagka-receive ko ng message, really, I can feel the Lord. Sabi niya, I see you, Michelle, and I love you. And I hear your prayers. Ganun. Grabe talaga si Lord. And, yun. And she will be starting on us na on Monday. We have 2 na. So, yung another problem ko, sinettle din na Lord. Kasi sabi ko nga, wala silang room. We have a spare room, but hindi siya room na covered siya talaga. Parang screen lang siya dito outside of our, parang sa laundry namin na area. May space siya, parang gano'n. And I don't know rin, kasi sabi ko, mapapagastos kami. We are renting lang. So, we cannot make big, parang tawag nito na parang sobrang mag-invest kami for that one. Kasi, hindi nga amin house thoughts. Syempre, we need permissions to do that kapag something big talaga. Pero talagang hindi siya livable. Ako kasi, if we have helpers, we need to make sure also na comfortable sila dito sa bahay. We need to take care of them. They are under our umbrella. Parang naalala ko lang yung kasama namin sa church na talagang parang yan ang ginagawa niya. Pero meron talaga sila parang carpentry, lahat ng yun. And I asked them, kasi close sa akin yung wife niya, kasi isa kaming small group sa church. And nag-ask ako if I can show them the room and kapag may magawa sila and how much ba yun, ganun. Talagang it's just started a chat, parang ganun lang. Yun nga, nung pumunta sila sa bahay, my gosh, talagang nakaya nila, finix nila ang door, ang door kasi is just screen, tapos sira pa siya kasi sobrang luma niya na. Parang, ginawan lang nila ng paraan, bumili kami ng plywood, para parang room siya, talaga sobrang ganda. General cleaning nila yung room, nilinis nila, grabe. Tapos, nagbili kami ng parang mantle for the floor, talaga.
I need to wee, Mom.
Promise, kahit ako, nagulat ako. Okay, you can go up and down. Yung nagastos namin, very minimal lang talaga siya. Kasi syempre sila na yung bumili, lahat ng yun. Tapos may din sila, may tricycle din sila. Sila na yung parang, hindi na talaga ako nahirapan. Talagang ginawa nila whole. Tapos nila in a day. Tapos talagang within our budget siya, hindi siya something na talagang magti-take extra of our time. Kaya, I really want to share it sa inyo. All of us have different situations sa life natin. Even yung journey natin, magkaiba tayo. Or somewhat ganun. Iba siya. Pero, even at this stage of our life, parang, I just want a lot of people to know how amazing it is kung kahit ano pa yan, if you have God with you, mag-iba siya talaga. Minsan, I'm so overwhelmed na hindi ko alam kung paano ko pa siya nakakayang gawin yung mga ganito, lahat ng to. Pero, God works indeed in ways na way beyond our thinking. Hindi natin siya ma-explain. Because si Lord, He is very involved even in the minute details of your life. Imagine nyo, yung paglilinis ng bahay. He help out. Nakikita ka niya and he's listening, lahat ng yun. You just need to give everything to Him, just to trust Him. What is that? You want to clean the car? But that's not how you clean it.
I cannot see the level and around and this.
You need the help of mommy and daddy. Can we do that later na if daddy is awake na?
I need you to do that.
Where's the other kid? Kai! 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 Bulaga! Wala ka na na mag-sleepers! Kai! Come here! Hey! Bulaga! Achi, what did you say?
I want to go to the United States.
You want to go to United States? Why? Do you have money? Do you know that it's very, very pricey?
How much?
I think you need 100 switch.
What?
Yeah, that lots. Achi, you're looking na naman on the side. You look
So
straight.
how much is it?
It's very pricey. 100,000 pesos.
100,000? Want to meet Lippy?
You want to meet Blippi? I think if you have money na when you grow up, diba, you will work, then you save your money so that you can go. Achi, when you want to look at the TV, you look straight like that, oh. Like mommy, oh. Like mommy, I look straight to the TV, not on the, like that.
Like this?
Yes.
Like this? What's
This
that?
is, what do you call this? It's Chinese, so we cannot understand.
I
But
love it.
it's like, you put water, wait lang, this one. Oh.
Easy, it's easy. I
In
know.
this one, then, it will put a color on this, on the booklet, in the cards. Okay?
So I know how I can do that. Ma, wait. Yeah. See, I'm standing. It's my Chinese now because this one's yours. In Chinese.
Here. Now, it has water. Wait lang, I think we need to press. Wow!
How about
Achi, oh, it's a crow. What's Chinese? Daddy, is this Mandarin or Hokkien? Mandarin? Oh.
Wait lang, be.
Mandarin? Perfect. What's the Chinese of sparrow?
Ma?
Makwe. Wow, you're good, Achi. So here na. This is the final product. Na, if you put na the brush, and then this is one. Parang it has a picture. It's very nice. I like it.
Now,
I recommend it.
next.
And this one naman is
Nice.
alphabets. I think this is alphabets. Nah, like this one. A for apple. Yeah, but it's the same lang. Yeah, it has a dog. Oh, it's nice. Nga mo ni Dad. And for nurse. Kasi ba yung
Kailangan lang kung putang nila laway.
So guwapa.
No.
So guwapa. Answer. Oh, very good. And our daddy is now helping mommy washing the dishes. Thank you, daddy.
This movie again.
Lagi niyang pinapatawa si nanay at kaming magkakapatid. Diba? It's hard again. It's already afternoon. And pinatulog ko yung two kids, may toddlers, si Kai sa kasi Fei. And I leave daddy here. Syempre kanina, nung una ko pinatulog si Kai. So nag-lunch sila lahat. Tapos, and then, nakatulog na. And I'm going down kasi I will clean the house. And, and look what is the situation of the house. One by one. Lido to nung ginawa nila. So, the living room. Ang clothes na dapat iligpitin ko. And I don't know what happened sa area ni Daddy. This one, ito yung dining namin. Nahuli ni Kai Kai ang box ko with a Christmas decors. Daddy tried his best to clean up after eating. And then the kitchen, the sink.
Ang dami akong hinuga. Look at that, look at that. Balik mo doon. Ang nakita mo, bago lang kinain.
Sige, si Daddy daw to gumawa. Good job, Daddy. I don't know where to start anymore. Sobrang sama na ng pakiramdam ko. I think nag-take effect na yung paracetamol. Pero mabigat pa rin yung katawan ni Mommy. But, let's see. Let's do this. You can do this. First, let's give some ventilation in the house. May open yung door namin. It's so nice. Maganda yung weather, pero I'm not sure bakit. Yan. Yung mga nilabhan ko yesterday, need ko na rin kunin. Para ma-fix up ko na so that I can have another laundry for tomorrow or maybe on Monday. Yan. Yun yung plan ko. Let's do this! Huwag ko na ipakita yung sa taas. Dito lang muna tayo. We're so happy.
I'm excited to play Minecraft in the church, and Zion will be here, and you'll watch me play.
Okay. So you will go with Daddy so that you can play. You can bring the Switch and play. How about we bilin the Switch here?
What's Billy?
Na-realize niya. I'm just joking. It's okay. I'm done cleaning the house and I think
We will eat.
Dadan! It's all clean na. And the baby is awake. It's Daddy's turn to wash the dishes again.
Again.
That's his best task
My
ever.
life has been a series of soap in my hand.
Thank you, Daddy. And come here, I'll fix your hair. Kasi aalis si Achi and si Daddy. Alis means go. Yeah, they will go to the church. Magpa-practice. Siya kasi yung magpa-piano. We're here na sa room.
So?
Yeah, we're here
I got
na.
no donkey that I will not. Good night.
We will be sleeping early, sabi ni Daddy. We'll be resting daw.
It's night. I need good night. Good night. Going I need to so sad.
And
Mommy, wait.
we'll be
Wait,
preparing na lang for the
Wait.
night so that we can rest.
Mommy, wait.
It's a very tiring, physically tiring day, but God is good. I still enjoy the day. Kanina nag-usap kami ni Daddy kasi yeah, this is life. Siya ayaw niya ring mag-work noon kasi may parang may mga deadline kasi sila sa work nila. Pero yun nga, you still need to go on. Ganyan talaga ang life. You just need to see the beauty in each of the moment. And syempre naman, the Lord blessed us with a lot of things to be thankful and grateful of. Yun na lang titingnan namin.
Yes.
So, here na lang kami sa room. And
Oh,
this will be the end of the vlog. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and see you in the next one. Bye-bye!
I need to talk to everybody. Bye. Good night.
Good night!